Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products, they are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need a new product, just visit Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, or Temu. You can find all these gadgets on these websites. So let's see what's in this beautiful apartment and the tools and the appliances this lady has in her flat. We've got this tool. She is using it for defrosting or maybe cleaning vegetables and fruits. We've got this cutting board. This is a plastic organizer you can use for maybe salad. We've got this spinning plastic tool where you can put bottles. We've got this dish. She's preparing something to eat using this pot. This is an electric pot. We've got this plastic tub you can use for mopping the floor. It's really cool. This is a mopping. This is a folding mop you can use for the floor. We've got this folding washing machine. It's really convenient. You can use it anywhere at home. Let's see what's in this beautiful bathroom. She's having a shower. This is a hair dryer. We've got these things you can use for toothbrushes. We've got this box where you can put your makeup stuff. This is another apartment. We'll see the tools this lady has in her beautiful apartment. We've got this hanger. This is a shower head, and this is a brush you can use for your body. We've got this rack where you can hang your bathroom stuff. She's brushing her teeth. We've got this box you can use for your makeup stuff, and we've got this electric file. We've got this beautiful vase. This is a machine you can use for heating water. You can also use it for charging your mobile phone. This is a small plastic trash bin. This is a folding mop. Let's see what's in this bedroom. She's doing the laundry using this smart washing machine. This is another small one. This is a small cleaner you can use for brushing off your maybe sheets, blankets, and other stuff. Maybe you can use it for your clothes. This is another brush. We've got this plastic organizer you can use for your makeup stuff. This is a dispenser you can use for storing cereals. This is a cooker. This is another one you can use for cooking fish and corn. We've got this cutting board. She's preparing something to eat. We've got these small plastic boxes you can use for spices. We've got this channel you can use for liquids. This is a frying pan you can use for omelette. We've got these plastic maybe dishes you can use for salad. this is another cooker. All these gadgets are available on Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, and Temu. So if you need any product, just type the name of these products on these websites, and you'll find different products with different prices and different qualities. This is an electric pot you can use for cooking food, and you can also use it for making omelette. We've got this one for frying. We've got these